Bridge, this is the engine room. There is a fire in the engine room.
Copy. Informing the master. Master, fire reported in the engine room.
Proceed with firefighting immediately.
Master, the fire cannot be controlled.
Prepare to abandon ship. Officer on watch. Broadcast distress.
Roger, master. Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is MB Orion. Call sign Charlie Bravo Delta 2 MMSI 548123456. Fire on board. Fire not under control. Position 14 degree 35.2 minutes north. 120 degree 58.6 minutes east. Abandoning the ship. All vessel please assist.
All crew, abandon the vessel.
Master, an alarm has activated in the steering console.
Checking now. Steering is not responding. Engine room. Check steering system immediately.
Bridge! Both steering motors are broken. We need to anchor immediately.
Officer on watch. Broadcast urgency and warn nearby vessels.
Roger, master. Pan. This is MB Orion. Call sign Charlie Bravo Delta 2 MMSI 548123456. We have steering failure and are anchoring. Position 14 degree 40.1 minutes north. 121 degree 02.3 minutes east. All vessel in the vicinity keep clear.
Master, loaded container sighted at 2 points on the starboard bow.
Checking radar and binocular now. Master, floating container confirmed. Position taken.
Broadcast safety message on channel 12.
Roger, master. Security. This is MB Mendoza. MMSI 548123456. Floating container reported at position 14 degree 42.8 north, 121 degree 05.9 east. All vessels are advised to navigate with caution.